Check out this eucalyptus tree, especially the shape of the trunk. So we're inside of a gully, and when it rains, water comes down through this way and bathes the sides of this tree, I guess. And also, because of these, I don't know, 20-meter tall rock walls on either side of the trunk, the light, most of it anyway, comes from either over there during the sunrise, and as the sun sets from over there, or most of the day from above. And what's interesting about the trunk is that, unlike the average eucalyptus tree, at least of this species, it's narrow. It's not round. It's not even oval. It's like a rectangle with two round sides. Is it because of the way water hits it? Is it because of the way light hits it? Does it have something to do with energies we don't quite understand? I don't know, but I thought it was very interesting how its natural environment shaped the tree. Nature. It's weird, man.